Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the markets, the crypto flight edition of this channel. Guys, we're going to step back into the BTC daily price prediction. We'll make this a really quick video. Stick around to the end. Let's not waste any time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's October the 27th, 2020. The current price of BTC is $13,640, up about 4.3% for the day. Really nice move from BTC. So let's take a look at this range that we have been, let's see. All right, so as we were saying on the previous video, I was looking to play this thing down until I seen this candle come in right here, okay? Right here. This candle right here suggests that the price will move up on the 12-hour. Obviously, I said the daily was bearish. I was, anticipating entering the market for a move down. But of course, thankfully for my patience, I was able to wait and see how the price responded to the top of this level at 13,200. And as you can see quite clearly, actually, that the price has had a successful candle's body to break above that level. Okay, so the next thing that I will be looking for here, because again, guys, it has not changed. The 3-day seems to be overextended to me. Okay, so these are the three factors that I'm taking into consideration to at least enter some insurance somewhere within this range. 13,650, even as high as just below 14,000. I must enter some type of insurance. Very, very small, high leverage insurance plans within this range. And this is the reason why, okay? Because first of all, the 12-hour Bollinger Bands, which is, remember, the 12 hours is what I take into consideration more than the other time frames in the short term. We're talking what's going to happen in less than a week's time, or within the next 3 days. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm able to determine the direction of the markets by simply looking at the volume and the candlesticks on the 12-hour only, and only on BTC. Okay, traditional, not the traditional markets. Okay, so this is why. Okay, the Bollinger Bands is going up. Okay, that's fine. That means that there is still more room to move to the upside. The Bollinger Bands at the bottom is actually closing. The mouth isn't opening up wide for the price action to enter inside. Okay, parental guidance advised there. So basically, I don't see it opening up just yet. Now, this could change over the next, today, or even, 2 days or 3 days from now, right? It could change, and the Bollinger Band could get really, really open, and we have that extreme parabolic move. $16,000 to $18,000 was my prediction in April this year. I still stand by that firmly until we close this year out. But again, the reason that I'm seeing some sort of insurance policy between 13.6 up just under 14,000 is because I don't see the Bollinger Bands opening on the 12-hour. Okay, that could change. The other thing is, let's go on the daily here. Oh, and by the way, I was totally wrong about the daily being bearish, because there's a certain way that I look at the candlestick's body and the volume. This candle actually met the criteria perfectly as a candidate for the price to move down. That did not happen. The price moved up. So obviously, yeah, I was totally wrong about the daily being bearish. But the 12-hour was suggesting that the price wanted to move up. So there you have it. I mean, the 12-hour did actually move up in the upwards direction. But there is 4.5 more hours to close on this daily candle. So I don't want to jump the gun so soon. Is this an official breakout above this $13,200 level on the daily? No, not yet. I mean, obviously, it may just close. I mean, it looks like it's going to close that way. But I don't like saying something is going to happen unless it actually has happened. Okay, so we got about 4.5 hours. Let's just see how this thing plays out on the daily. But it does look like it wants to close above $13,200. It's only about 400 points away, so I don't see why it wouldn't just continue the trend up. But considering the fact that it is $400 away, I mean, we've seen BTC make $400 moves multiple times, $200, $1,000 moves, within an hour, right? So anything's possible within the next 4.5 hours, okay? And also on the daily here, the Bollinger Band, it still has not opened. So that's another reason why I'm saying that, maybe it's going to take a pause here. Maybe it won't. Okay. And let's see here. And it's at the top of the Bollinger Band. I mean, it's literally poking through the top of that Bollinger Band. Not just yet on the 12-hour, but on the daily, yes. Okay. So that's another reason why I would like to enter some sort of small, high leverage insurance policies here. Very small insurance. And let's see here on the 3-day. Let's pull that up. And on the 3-day, like literally, the price action is outside of the Bollinger Bands. Like, it's so extended, it's not even funny. Like, there has to be, either we're up against a really big move that I'm not seeing, or this thing is really going to get violent over the next 48 hours in the price action. So if you don't know what you're doing, stay away from the high leverage button there. But another thing that does make me a little nervous that this might be like a really, really, really big power move to the upside is because look at the volume down here, guys, on the 3-day. Like, there's less volume coming in the market, and this thing is still going up. So what do you think is going to happen when the actual volume actually shows up down here in the chart? That means it's going to go up even much more, right? We'll probably have like a $2,000 move within a 3 days candle, right? That's a possibility. Again, I know I sound like a broken record, guys. My price targets are already on the chart. They've been here for months. I haven't changed anything, guys. 16,000 BTC price target, 18,000 before 2021. Okay, that's my prediction ever since April 2020. And I'm going to stand firmly by that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see here. Yeah, but I'm expecting some volatility. This move looks really, really aggressive. And that's pretty good, right? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm going to enter some small insurance plans just in case we get a nice little, push down, even if it's like 400 points or something, or 500 points, or if we kind of back test the previous resistance level that's easily can be seen on the daily, and I think the 12-hour as well, just in case we take a breather here and just kind of come back down. Find support there at 12,900. Take a breather and just continue to the upside and just end this year out with a bang. And I'll be the one that will actually called it and, of course, made a profit off it as well. It's important to actually participate in the markets and just not, stuff out of your mouth saying I called it. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. That's what I'm currently doing. 13,650 up to as high as 13,900 and like 90 something. Okay, there I'll be entering very small insurance policies just in case we get a move to the downside, a very, very aggressive move to the downside. Okay, but it doesn't look like this thing wants to stop, man. I'm probably going to regret those small positions, but they're there. We'll see what happens. That's all I got for you guys. Hey, thanks for stopping in here with me. New subscribers, welcome in. Loyal subscribers, thanks for your support. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, of course. It's Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I'll see you guys soon and talk to you soon. And be sure to take care of yourselves and have a good day.